keyframe animations. So what are keyframe animations? To simply put, it is a block of code which allows you to do certain changes to your objects at a certain point, at a certain phase. Looking at the definition, it says a keyframe in CSS defines the state of an animation at specific points in time. As I said in the layman language, it allows you to set the intermediate steps in an animation, specifying how an element should appear at certain moments during the animation timeline. Few of the key properties of the keyframe animation is animation name property, animation duration, animation timing function, and animation iteration count. So now let's check out um, a code example in VS Code. Uh, let's do a better thing. Let's write a code ourselves and make few changes to see how it works. So here I am in my VS Code. Let's get the template. Let's make a div element. Let's call it a ball. Separate CSS file because it's just an example I will be showing you. So dot mol, and I also assume that you know basic CSS and HTML while we are doing this. So let's give our ball a width. So the object should not be too big, but it should be big enough. So let's give it a 50 px and 50 px height for equal uh, sides. So now we will give it a border radius of 50% to make it a perfect circle. And let's give it a color because it will be colorless. We will not be able to see the animation. Let's give background color equal to red. Red because it pops into your eyes, making you see it. So the syntax is like something like this. We have keyframe, add keyframes, then identifier. Identifier is the name you give for your animation. It's animation name. So we'll be giving our ball animation of roll. And here we can have persons or we can have from block and to block. For this particular example, we will be using persons. So where the object is at 0% and object is at 100%, we will set the transform translate x to 0, and when it's 50%, we will set transform translate x equal to 200 px. You will not know that what it is doing, but when we will run this code in the browser, when we will run this HTML in the browser, we will see that what it's actually happening. So animation shorthand property, and it's asking for animation name, let's say role. Duration of the animation, let's give 5 seconds. Animation timing function. Timing functions can be ease in out, or ease out. So we will give ease. We'll be not giving it a delay. Iteration count, let's say infinite, because we want to show how it's actually working. So let's only give these four properties for now, and let's see the live preview. As you can see, it is moving. So this is keyframe animations in HTML CSS. We will see some more examples of what we can do. You can go to official site of Geeks for Geeks or W3 School to check out few other things, like there is scale, there is opacity which we use for fade, and there is scroll motions. We will learn that in future videos. For today's video, this is it. Thank you for watching.